how to get OCBC bank statement in OCBC mobile banking. So if you want to get the OCBC mobile banking statement, then what you need to do is first, if you're using your mobile application, then you just need to simply tap on the more icon, which will be in the bottom navigation. But before that, you need to make sure that you've logged in using an access code, PIN, fingerprint ID, or SingPass. So just simply go and enter your access code and then your PIN and go with login. Once you've logged into your account, you need to scroll down and then you'll find the option of statements and letters. Or if you're using your PC, then you can go and log in with your access code and PIN. So once you go with the statements and letters, you will find the option of view documents and then manage documents and then change passwords. So you just need to simply go with view documents, which will be in the first section. Or if you're using your PC, you can go with your accounts and documents. Then from there, you can view all of your documents. You can choose the type and date range of the statement or letter that you wish to view. So select the date range of your statement, and that's it. That's how you can view your statements on your application or on your PC. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.